Have you ever wondered how Siri understands your voice or how Netflix knows what you want to watch? That's artificial intelligence or AI. Today I'll explain what AI really is in just 5 minutes. Artificial intelligence is when machines are designed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Instead of just following instructions, AI can improve itself by learning from data. Think of it as teaching a computer to recognize patterns and action on them. There are two main types in AI. First one is narrow AI. The second one is general AI.
Oh my god! Inhuman reactions!
Narrow AI focused on one task like Google Translate or a chess playing programming. General AI is a system that could think and learn like a human across many tasks. This doesn't exist yet, it's more science fiction than reality. AI is already everywhere. Your phone's face unlock uses AI, YouTube recommended videos based on your history. Self-driving cars use AI to detect objects and make decisions. Even spam filters in emails are powered by in AI. So that is AI in a nutshell, machines that learn and make decisions. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and tell me in the comments what excites you most about AI.